Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check serial number for your earbuds Samsung Galaxy Buds 2. You have to start by open Galaxy Wearable application, click on it, and if you add your earbuds to the app, you will see the same menu here. You need to scroll down just a bit and click at the earbuds settings. Then scroll down again, and at the bottom we have About Earbuds. Click on it also. And right here we have a serial number for the right and left earbuds. If you wanna check it for the charging case, we can find this information at the charging case. At the bottom of the charging case, I will zoom it for you. And right here we have SN, what means serial number, and this is serial number of the charging case. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!